While life insurance premiums are set to fall if IRDA accepts the draft of the new mortality table that's based on the 2006-2008 data, with the fall in the risk perception, life insurance companies may be looking to reduce their premiums significantly.
Now, the increase in life expectancy would result in some more money in your pockets, with the expectations of life insurance premiums falling in the next few months. First time in India, a detailed mortality data collected by the Mortality and Morbidity Investigating Center from more than 15 insurance companies has been collated and will be submitted to IRDA for its approval. Till now, the mortality table of 1994 to 1996 provided by market leader LIC is being followed, which relies on only male life expectancy data. Insurers believe that this data is based on mortality rates of both male and female, cutting across different geographical regions in India and various socio-economic levels. Experts feel that with significant improvement in the life expectancy, the premiums on the life insurance should actually fall once the new table is accepted by IRDA.
The new study, when it comes out sometime this year, it will help us know better how the mortality improvement has been over the last 13-14 years. And I expect the mortality rates will go down, which will translate into lower premiums to the customers. I expect the reduction to be to the tune of 25 to 30%. It could actually be more than that, depending on which segments have performed much better.
According to the current table of 1994-1996, the probability of death for a 40-year adult is 2 out of 1,000, while for a 60-year-old it is 13 per 1,000, and that results in higher premiums for an older person. But with life expectancy going up, the risk perception for the same group will fall, resulting in the fall of premiums. Let's take an example. A term policy for a 30-year-old looking for a rupees 10 lakh cover. The premium will be around 5,000 rupees per annum according to current rates. With a 20 to 25% fall, the same policy for the same cover would be available for rupees 3,750 to rupees 4,000. Though the major impact will be on the term insurance and endowment policies, the buyers of highest selling unit-linked insurance products will be benefited too.
In a ULIP, what will now happen is that because the premium for life coverage drops, the amount required to be kept aside for giving you life coverage will reduce, which means that a larger amount will be available for investment, and because a larger amount is available for investment, absolute returns will increase, and therefore it will have a beneficial impact on ULIP holders as well.
Experts feel that the new mortality table should factor in the difference between the urban and the rural mortality rate, given the diverse country India is. But that is for academicians to debate. For those looking at life insurance policies, it's a win-win situation for sure.